We are pleased to show you the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, convertible soft top, tires, front, on off-road, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear, on off-road, privacy glass, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.